How am I in the shot? Bomba clot, I hope we're ready to rock. We got the coconut milk and the green juice, gonna make me feel hot. What's up my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? We got a special video today because we will be making my favorite drink, which is pretty much already made. It's called Gorilla Milk. It's Lou Corona's recipe. Lou Corona's from Pyridine. He's been living a raw food lifestyle, for 40 plus years. He's about 70 years old. I think he's been living it for almost 50 years. So basically the basic recipe is half a green juice with half a nut or seed milk. But let me explain the process. So here we have coconut and almond. That's what he uses. And today we're doing something special, and this was inspired by Eva Loves Raw. She does a version of the Gorilla Milk that is without the added sweeteners. So she doesn't put any dates in the milk, and she doesn't add any apples in the green juice. So it's just greens and just straight up coconut and almond milk. We do have some added probiotics from Pyridine. It's called Life Biotic. So we have a little bit of probiotic and a little bit of hemp protein. I would love to get the protein from Pyridine and their enzymes as well, but it's outside of my budget at this moment, so I only ordered the probiotic. But I got a hemp protein, a really clean vegan hemp protein. I added that because I'm in a building phase. That's why I'm drinking this, because I did 21-day cleanse and I kept it low fat for a few weeks, and now I just feel my body's like wanting more fat, and I'm feeling good adding more fat and lots of greens. Big huge salads, green juices. I'm going to be doing more green smoothies, and I'm going to start making coconut yogurts using the probiotic and mixing it into, basically blending like I did today, coconut and almond with the probiotics, and you can make yogurt out of it. Today we made milk. I already made the green juice. I juiced all the greens. There's cucumber, there's celery, there's Swiss chard and spinach, both are in season here in Mallorca. And we have cilantro and parsley, also local. And then I bought kale because Lou Corona usually uses kale in his recipe, but I don't see it local, so I had to go to the big store and buy some kale. Yeah, and that's it. No apples, just greens, celery, and cucumber. Here, like I said, we have coconut, the flesh, and the juice of one coconut, and some added water to make it more liquidy, and almonds, and some Pyridine probiotic, as well as a little bit of hemp protein and some cinnamon. If I had vanilla, I would have added vanilla, but I avoided dates or any sweetener. And this is the first time I'm doing a Gorilla Milk that's not sweet. And Eva also recommends, or her way of doing it is, instead of half and half juice, half milk, she does 3/4 green juice and then 1/4 Gorilla Milk, or 2/3, 1/3, something like that. So it's more green juice and less milk, so that it's less fatty. Like I said, I don't mind the fat. I'm trying to get more fat in, but when I try something new, I usually do it the way someone explained it exactly. I test it out, try it, and then when I make it again, I might adapt to how I prefer, you know? Before we try this, I'm gonna do what Lou Corona always does, and he tries the juice first and then the milk first. Let's try the juice, no sweetener. Amazing, incredible, full of chlorophyll. It's like a structured, hydrating water. I didn't think I would like greens this much, but lately I've been just loving greens. Let me try this milk. Interesting, delicious. It's not overpowered by the sugar, so you can actually feel the flavor of the coconut and the almonds more, which is pretty cool. And it's just enough sweet because the coconut water is sweet. So the coconut water is the only sweetener in this recipe. That's pretty dope. So let's do the epic pour, bringing these two, green and white, together. See it changing color to like a Hulk green. Oh, go right to the top. A little bit of milk left for later. and we're gonna taste test with y'all. That is incredible. This is so good. This is so good. I really wish you can have something like this in your life that you would just love, and your taste buds will be bursting with delight. Like, it's not even that sweet, it just got a little bit of coconut water. It's just so perfect. It's so nourishing. And especially when you milk the nuts and seeds, they're way more absorbable by the body. Like, you don't have to eat this if you don't feel called to it. You can throw it in the compost or give it to the animals. So cheers to your health, much love. So if you're interested in doing a little cleanse and learning how to prepare for it, how to do it properly, and how to break it properly, how to end it and refeed after, which is pretty much the most important part, then check out the 3-day cleanse guide I have below. It's a free 3-day ebook that will show you the process. So anyways, cheers to your health, much love. I really hope this inspires you and helps you. Comment down below if you've made this kind of a juice before, or if you love juicing, or what else you would like to see on my channel. I'm promoting healthy lifestyle, living foods, connecting with nature. What do you want to hear? Let me know. Comment below, thumb up if you like it, and subscribe if you want more videos. Much love.